Have you ever stared up at the night sky and wondered, what if a black hole just opened up and swallowed us whole? Pop culture loves to imagine Earth getting sucked into a cosmic vacuum. But how close are we really to one of these mysterious monsters of space? And, more importantly, should we be worried? Let's peel back the myth and look at what the science actually says. To understand whether Earth could ever be pulled into a black hole, we need to understand what a black hole actually is. A black hole forms when a massive star dies. After burning through its fuel, the star collapses under its own gravity. If the mass is great enough, it compresses into a single point, a region of space with infinite density called a singularity. Surrounding it is the event horizon, the point of no return. Once anything crosses this invisible boundary, it's gone. Light, matter, even time as we understand it, can't escape. But here's where the myth goes sideways. Black holes don't suck things in like vacuum cleaners. They're not cosmic Roombas scouring the galaxy. They obey the same gravitational rules as stars or planets. If our sun were magically replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would keep orbiting it, just in total darkness. Gravitational pull doesn't come from suction. It comes from mass and distance. So, already we've busted one part of the myth. Okay, so black holes aren't roaming vacuums. But where are they? Right now, we know of about 24 confirmed stellar mass black holes. But astronomers estimate there could be millions in our galaxy alone. The closest known black hole? It's called Gaia BH1, about 1,600 light-years away. To put that in perspective, 1 light-year is nearly 6 trillion miles. So Gaia BH1 is roughly 9 quadrillion miles away. That's not exactly next door. Then there's Sagittarius A star, the supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. It's 26,000 light-years away. And yet, we're still standing. This means none of these known black holes are remotely close enough to pose a threat. But what about rogue black holes? Here's where things get interesting. Astronomers believe there could be rogue black holes. Black holes wandering through space after violent stellar events. In fact, in 2022, NASA detected a possible rogue black hole moving through our galaxy. So, could a rogue black hole ever wander into our solar system? Technically, it's not impossible. But the odds are astronomically low. Space is vast, like really vast. The chances of a black hole randomly entering our solar system and interacting with Earth is less than the odds of being struck by lightning while winning the lottery during a solar eclipse. But let's play what if. What would happen if one did get close? First, it would mess with the orbits of outer planets. Neptune, Uranus, and Saturn might drift or destabilize. We'd see strange gravitational patterns decades before any direct encounter. Then Earth might be pulled off its orbit, or it could experience extreme tidal forces, stretching and tearing the planet apart. And finally, if we actually passed the event horizon, we'd be stretched into thin atomic strands in a process called spaghettification. That's not science fiction. That's real astrophysics. But again, this entire scenario is vanishingly rare. Let's cut to the chase. Could Earth be pulled into a black hole? Number: there are no black holes near us. None are headed our way. And even if one was, we'd detect its effects long before anything catastrophic happened. Black holes don't break the laws of physics. They are the laws of physics, in their most extreme form. Plus, we have eyes on the sky. NASA, ESA, and observatories around the world are constantly scanning the cosmos for objects just like this. We've cataloged most major gravitational influences around us, and nothing nearby poses a threat. So, while black holes are awe-inspiring and dangerous in theory, they're not coming for us. You are far more likely to die from slipping in the shower than from falling into a black hole. So why are we so obsessed with black holes? Maybe because they represent the ultimate unknown. Places where the rules of reality break down, where time slows, and light itself disappears. They're the dragons at the edge of our cosmic maps. But rather than fearing them, scientists are using them to understand the universe. In 2019, we captured the first actual image of a black hole. Incredible, right? These discoveries are pushing the limits of human knowledge. They remind us how much we don't know, and how thrilling it is to keep asking questions. So, can you get sucked into a black hole from Earth? Unless you hop on a spaceship and aim straight for one dash, you're safe. But the mystery? That's what keeps us looking up. If you love exploring truth versus myth, from pirates to quantum physics, Subscribe for more stories that peel back the layers of what we think we know. And tell us in the comments, what space myth should we explore next?